Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at ang mga bago po nating viewers. So, tignan po natin kung ano yung message na mapipick up natin para sa'yo, Cancer. May tumalon po dito and the card is Cupid. We have Temptation. Now, of course, yung Cupid is Cupido. Sa Tagalog, siya yung kung gaba nagmamatch o naghahanap ng ating kamatch na with yung kanyang itsura is yung maliit na angel na may maliit na pana. Siya yung namamana dun sa tao na tingin niya ay tamang perfectong tao para sa atin, o yung kamatch natin, no? Yung ating other half, o sabihin nating person that is truly compatible to us. And then of course, temptation, ito yung sinasabi sa atin na pag-isipan mabuti ng dahan-dahan itong sitwasyon na pinapasok mo. Oo, at binigyan ka ng posibilidad na baka ma-meet mo na yung person mo. But there is something behind this that you are given this advice to be careful with the situation. Kasi kung gaba may temptasyon, maybe the person is not available. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung gusto sabihin sa tarot. We have the Ten of Pentacles. We have the Four of Swords. The Three of Wands. The King of Swords. And the Four of Cups. Bottom niya is the Magician. So, Cancer, dito sa Magician, you are trying to manifest something, no? Meron kang gustong mangyari. And it has something to do with like giving you another chance or giving this relationship another chance to fall in love again. I guess it has something to do with to fall in love again with you, or you might be dealing also with a water sign, no? Another Cancer like you, or Pisces or Scorpio. This is energy coming from a Sagittarius and a Gemini or a Virgo for the Magician. So yung posibilidad na pinagdadasal mo or you're manifesting na sana mabigyan pa kayo ng pagkakataon na magkabalikan o ma-inlove muli or magkasundo. It is something na matagal na I believe na iniisip mo, no? That you have been trying to think about or give energy. Pero ang sinasabi nga dito is to be very careful kasi baka kung bakit hindi yun natuloy, no? Kung bakit hindi kayo or something might have it happen is sabi nga nila yung yung pagpipigil na yon, the mere fact that you were rejected is a form of protection. Pinoprotektahan ka lang. Kasi kung hindi nga maganda to, if it's a temptation, kung gaba parang yung inaano ka, parang sinasabi nung shadow side mo, yung devil side, na hindi, okay yan. Pero sa totoo, alam mong hindi. Parang iniinganyo ka kasi dito. You're being, iniinganyo ka na to commit a mistake, to commit a sin. Kaya you should be very careful kung ano yung pinapasukan mo. Tama ba o hindi. Now, yung nakaraan, in the past, this is what you wanted, to meet the right person, para kasi nga, eventually you'll have a family, kasi you wanted to have a family, so you wanted to have children. And of course, yung family nyo na mabubuo is something na talagang magiging masaya kayo. Kasi you are provided with everything you need, no? Material things na nagbibigay ng comfort in life. So you are dreaming of having a nice house, sufficient money sa bank, no? Even extend this dream to your grandchildren, no? Talagang panghabang buhay, pang long term itong card na to, pang matagalan. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari. This is what you wanted, Cancer. But somehow everything seems to be quiet. Parang nagsubside lahat. Tumahimik, nagkaroon ng space, nagkaroon ng pause, ng pagpapahinga sa relationship. And that happened because I guess walang you've just been waiting and waiting for things to happen. Parang yun yung naging yung problema na kung walang movement, kaya nag-iintay, di ba? If this was the problem, because there were no movement, it seems to be resting, parang ang pakiramdam mo dito, pag-isipan ko muna mabuti, namnamin ko muna, ibig sabihin, meditate, mag-isip, magdasal muna bago pumasok sa ganitong sitwasyon. Though it is kung gaba perfect and very tempting, but I have to wait. I have to wait for that guy or that person na talagang perfect for me. Kasi ang gusto ko nga is yung talagang somebody na I could trust, na alam mo yung talagang mapagkakatiwalaan ko, na would communicate with me, would not lie to me, no? Talagang andyan siya all the time for me. Pero ang naging outcome nga is parang something went unexpectedly, na pakiramdam mo hindi ka na binigyan ng attention, no? You were totally ignored. Kakaintay mo for this person to put action. Hindi parang wala nangyari. Parang hindi ka napansin. O hindi natuloy yung talagang iniisip mo na sana siya na nga. Kaya nga yung sinasabi natin na dito, yung what you've been hoping or praying for, manifesting, hoping na sana mabigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon itong relationship na to, na mag-fall in love again with you. Kasi ang nakikita ko rito, Cancer, is you were ignored. Hindi ka binigyan ng importansya. Kung gabay, you were just there waiting all the time, waiting to be loved, waiting for that attention, waiting na magkaroon kayo ng pag-uusap. Kasi naging challenge siguro ng person mo na talagang pag-isipan mo nang na matagal, mabuti itong relationship nyo. Kaya ano yan nangyayari sa'yo ngayon? Nag-iintay ka, you're waiting for what's next. Tingnan nga natin kung anong next. Anong susunod na mangyayari. Bakit? Flip yung devil. Ito na yon sinasabi natin. Temptation. Diba? Yung temptation. Maybe the reason kung bakit, diba, I told you, yung reason kung bakit minsan hindi ka pinapansin o hindi ka binigyan ng importansya sa relationship because nilalayo ka dito. God or the universe is pulling you away from this devil energy. Something that is not bad. Something that is bad. Diba yung temptation? Kaya nga inaano sa'yo, pag-isipan mo mabuti. Kaya hindi okay. Hindi okay na mag-intay. Don't wait for this person. That's what I'm saying. You have to move forward. Don't wait. Ito kasi nangyayari eh. You're waiting. Don't wait. Kung may mag-offer ng love sa'yo, i-consider mo. Cancer, i-consider mo. If it's coming from other person, except dito sa taong iniintay mo, consider mo siya. Kasi baka yun yung binibigay sa'yo ng universe. Okay? Tignan nga natin kung ano yung message. New Moon in Taurus, know your worth. Tama, alamin mo yung halaga mo. Full Moon in Aries, cool your emotions. Masyado emotional. Tama lang. And New Moon in Scorpio, go deep. Ba? Dapat medyo mag-isip tayong malalim. Ngayon, kung mamimit mo yung tamang tao para sa'yo, Cancer, tignan natin kung anong characteristics niya. Slim, mabait, maputi, may asawa na, mahilig sa music, may katungkulan sa trabaho. Okay. So, yung part na may asawa, okay, this might be also a form of a temptation kasi alam naman natin na pag may asawa na, syempre, hindi na tayo pwedeng pumorma. But you could be friends. Maybe up to a point na, let's see, malay mo, may mabago. Magkaroon ng second chance, di ba? I showed you the card of the na-shuffle ko na but you've seen yung card ng ng judgment, di ba? I showed you that judgment card. Let me find that one. Pinakita ko yung kanina. And that would mean a second chance. No? Kasi yun yung parang hinihiling mo magkaroon ng pangalawang pagkakataon. And maybe, baka pagbigyan ka ng universe. You'll never know. Kaya nga, syempre to be safe, you could start to be friends. Malay mo later, things will change. Diba? Ito yung message na gustong malaman o gusto ipaalam sa'yo, Cancer. I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.